Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template using just some steps. So first of all, what we're gonna do is go to icons tab and we're gonna search for leaf icon. You can also search for it, but we're just gonna drag down and here it is. We're gonna insert it into the slide and increase its size that it covers the whole of the slide, half of the slide. Yeah, something like this. And the next thing we're gonna do is select the shape and then go to shape format and convert it to the shape. We're gonna go to format shape and picture text to fill and insert a picture that we want to use. Here you go. The next thing we're gonna do is change the background color using eyedropper because that gives your template a more suitable and comfortable look because it is a professional thing to use good color combinations along with the picture. Here you go. And we're gonna go to format background again, and I don't really like this color, so let's just change it. How about using this color? But it doesn't really look nice because the picture doesn't look really nice along with it. So we're just gonna use white for now. You can change it if you want. Next, we're gonna insert a text box in which we're gonna add our header. Be sure to add a captivating header because we want to captivate our audience and grab their interest. Here you go. That's all you have to do. Let's increase its size because we want to make it look bold and visible to the and to make it clearly visible to our audience or any teacher, whatever you want making this template for. But be sure to use a higher resolution image for the icon because that will really much affect your template style. Here you go. You're gonna insert another text box in which you're gonna write the other stuff that you want. So I'm gonna just write this 2024. Let's decrease its size. The next thing we're gonna do is go to Insert tab and icons, and from here we're gonna insert the same leaf icon. Search for leaf, and we're gonna insert the same icon. Let's increase its size a bit, and we're gonna place it onto the right side of the text that we previously inserted into the below of the template. We're gonna change its color that it looks clearly visible. So I'm just gonna use this bright pink color. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D, and you're gonna rotate it onto the opposite side. And for now, what you're gonna do is place it onto the left side of the template. Here you go. Close the format background, and what we're gonna do is insert a rectangle right here that covers the half of the template along with the text, and send it to the back and change its color. Use the eyedropper to get a suitable color. Increase the rectangle's transparency and you're gonna make it just cover the entire slide. Here you go. Select the leaves and we're gonna give them a different color. Let's use dark magenta, but this looks just fine. So we're just gonna use this as the final decision. And well, the next thing we're gonna do is change the text, and if you want and other stuff, we're gonna select the leaf and give it this wheel animation. And the next thing we're gonna do is select the text and give it vibe animation and from the right side. And for this text, we're also going to give it the vibe animation, but from the left. For these, we're gonna give it flying animation, but from the left. So that's what you had to do. Let me just change the timing, and you're gonna select this with previous after previous option with each of the template elements. And that was all for today in this video. And if you liked the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment down to let us know about your opinion. Meet you in other videos with soon.